What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase the Grammarly Premium. So first you need to head over to the Grammarly's website, and after that you just need to log in with your Grammarly account, and after logging in you will be redirected to this page of Grammarly. From here on the left side you need to click on Get Pro, and after clicking on Get Pro, the new window of Pro plans will open. From here you can click on the right side to get Grammarly Pro, or you can just see the pro plans. Like this is the pro one for 100 rupees in Indian rupees, and these are the features that you will get while purchasing this pro version of Grammarly. And you can also try this enterprise version, so just choose the version according to your vision requirement, and this is how you can opt and choose for Grammarly's premium. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.